Is your video sideways or facing the wrong direction? Clipchamp makes it easy to rotate your footage and correct its orientation. In this guide, I'll show you how to rotate a video in Clipchamp step by step in 2026. First, open Clipchamp and create a new project or open an existing one. Import the video you want to rotate and drag it onto the timeline. Select the clip to access its editing controls. Click the video clip on the timeline to select it. You'll see the editing options for the video. Make sure you're working with the correct clip before changing its orientation. Now find the rotate control in the video editing options. Select it to rotate the video, usually in 90-degree steps. Continue rotating until the footage is facing the correct direction. After rotating, check how the video fits inside the frame. You may need to reposition or crop the footage so the important content remains visible. Yeah, this is especially useful when correcting videos recorded with a phone. Next, check the project's aspect ratio. If the rotated video doesn't fit correctly, choose a suitable format and adjust the clip using the available fit or crop controls. Now play the video from the beginning and make sure the orientation looks correct. Check the entire project if you have multiple clips, because each clip may need its own adjustment. When you're satisfied, select Export and choose the video quality you need. Clipchamp will process the project and create your corrected video file. And that's how to rotate a video in Clipchamp in 2026. Select your video, use the rotate control, adjust the framing, preview your project, and export the finished result. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.